Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta AC not cooling and discusses potential reasons why the air conditioning system may blow warm or insufficiently cool air instead of maintaining the expected cabin temperature. This issue has been documented across multiple Ford Fiesta model years, although the exact cause and severity can vary depending on engine type, climate system configuration, mileage, and maintenance history. In general, reduced cooling performance in the Ford Fiesta may be associated with conditions affecting the AC system's ability to regulate pressure and temperature. Verified service information indicates that refrigerant level imbalance, cooling system wear over time, or airflow limitations around the condenser can contribute to weak or inconsistent cooling. Some versions may also show reduced performance during extreme ambient temperatures or prolonged idling, especially as components age. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. In terms of solutions, general guidance often includes inspecting the AC system for proper refrigerant levels, ensuring cooling fans and airflow paths are functioning correctly, and checking related components for wear or age-related degradation. These steps are not guaranteed fixes but are commonly part of professional diagnostic procedures for AC performance concerns. Across verified reviews and technical discussions, patterns suggest that AC cooling complaints tend to increase with higher mileage or reduced maintenance, while newer or well-maintained vehicles may experience fewer issues. Differences have been observed between older and newer Fiesta generations, but not every vehicle is affected. In conclusion, Ford Fiesta AC not cooling can stem from several documented factors, and the exact cause can differ by model year, usage, and condition. A proper inspection is essential to determine whether the issue applies to a specific vehicle. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.